Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. Today we are here on site for this versus that with Hoonigan. This 1962 Volvo just had its race, it won, so we're gonna give it a complimentary wipe down using Blazin Banana spray wax. So this 1962 Volvo, like I said, it won. This race was insane. Once it finished, it had this epic, insane burnout, and now there's rubber particles all over this surface. So today I thought it would be a good idea for me to show you guys how to properly enhance the shine, remove dirt, grime, and in this occasion, rubber pieces using Blazin Banana. So all you need to do is just shake up the product, you'll spray it directly onto the surface, and I'll be very generous. I'm actually going to allow Blazin Banana to sit on the surface for anywhere from 10 seconds to 15 seconds. So like this, whenever I glide a microfiber towel, it will not scratch the surface of the vehicle. And Blazin Banana, like I also said, it's going to enhance the shine and reflection because it is a spray on wax. So after wiping it, you guys can see all of that is just rubber pieces from the burnout. I'll take my other side, buff it right off, and now it is protected, it is shined, and it has a very nice reflection. So I'll get my other side with my microfiber towel, I'll wipe in one direction, and just like this, I went ahead, enhanced the shine, I protected it, and I removed the rubber. So if you guys want to enhance your shine today, I recommend using Blazin Banana. Let me just finish the whole entire vehicle and I'll show you guys the results after. Blazin Banana can also be used on your wheels to remove brake dust, grime, debris, road tar. Simply just spray it, grab a clean microfiber towel, and you wipe it right off. And like this, your wheels stay protected in one easy step by using Blazin Banana. So after wiping it down, it added some type of shine and reflection, but before I forget, Blazin Banana just is not only for paint, it can also be used on glass. So you have light water spots, light debris, just get Blazin Banana, spray it onto your glass, get a clean microfiber towel, wipe in one direction, and like this, you protect your glass, your vision is clear, and any water spots, any fallout, or any rain that lands on it is simply going to glide around, just glide off the surface of the vehicle. So just spray and wipe. Blazin Banana has grade A Carnauba in it. That's going to add reflection and extreme depth to your paint. So any color car can be protected just in seconds with Blazin Banana. There you guys have it. You guys can see what amazing shine Blazin Banana brought out to this vehicle. It cleaned up its chrome, its wheels, its glass, its mirrors in one easy step. So if you're short on time and you want to get in and get out, I recommend using Blazin Banana. Blazin Banana has grade A Carnauba that's going to protect your vehicle, enhance the shine, and keep it well maintained. So guys, if you guys liked the video today, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. If you want to pick up your Blazin Banana today, which is this one right here, you can hop onto our website right now, chemicalguys.com, and pick it up there, or stop by your local detail garage. I'm Henry, this was Chemical Guys Detail Garage, and we'll see you guys next time.